Hi, this is Mike McKean at Guaranty Fifth Wheel out here in Junction City. And today we're going to look at this 2018 Landmark Phoenix by Heartland. I think you'll really like it. It's got 4 slides, full body paint, lots of storage in the belly right here, and it's got a full storage in the back. I can show it to you. Comes equipped with TV, outboard TV, and then a pull-out tray for storage in the back, so it gives you ample room to put all your stuff that you want to carry. And up here into the bedroom, you have a queen size walk-around bed with a slide. Gives you a little extra room. Full closet, washer and dryer hookup. So very nice. We also have a very nice sized bathroom. Full shower right off the bedroom in the hallway. This comes with 2 air conditioners, so you have ample zones. And this has a center kitchen, so you have opposing slides in the kitchen. Really nice touches as far as the doors, full wood cabinets, Corian countertops, full oven. Very nice kitchen, dining set, comes with that couple extra chairs. And moving up into the living room. Again, up here you have 2 full opposing slides. Comes with 2 full couches and recliners for theater seating, 54-inch TV, and fireplace. Very comfortable. This will sleep 6 people comfortably, and I think you'll like it. So come on down and see it. If you have any questions, my name is Mike McKean at Guaranty Fifth Wheel in Junction City.